And welcome everybody to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I'm your host, Dan, aka Smash-O-Mash. And got a quick question for you. Have you been watching our daily space weather videos? If you're only viewing these videos on BitChute, probably not. We get many times more views on BitChute than we do on YouTube. If you're only viewing there, you're missing the daily space weather videos. Help us out by subscribing on YouTube and viewing the videos over there. You're missing 90% of the content by not viewing the videos on YouTube. The meteorology segments do premiere there as well. And that's what we're doing. It's a meteorology segment. So here are the jet streams of the Western world. And look at the chaos going on over the U.S. We've got a triple jet stream here. Here's one, here's two, here's three jet streams over North America. So tripled up jet streams there, huge bends, and a massive upper-level anticyclone happening here, indicating high pressure off the coast of Portugal. Next, looking at, in the southern hemisphere, jet streams are extremely chaotic. Check it out, blowing backwards here over part of the southern Atlantic. Here are the surface winds of the Western world. Low pressure system here south of Greenland. You can see that counterclockwise rotation, the way low pressures rotate opposite of the southern hemisphere in the northern hemisphere. There's another one south of the Aleutians. Here are the surface winds of the eastern world. Shout out to our viewers from this side of the planet. If you're viewing from Asia, India, Oceania, let us know in the comments. Please share on your social media. Tell your friends and foes about the channel. The algorithms do not seem to be helping. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. Quite a bit of chaos here over Australia once again. A more concentrated jet stream showing up in the northern hemisphere. Next, we're going to show you temperature anomaly. So here's our temperature anomaly 72-hour GFS forecast. It's the temperature anomaly in Celsius degrees based on the GFS model for the lower 48. So some unseasonably warm weather here coming to the north central U.S. I guess that's the biggest story when it comes to temperature anomaly. Next, your precipitation and pressure forecast for the next 72 hours. Things are looking pretty clear here over the next 3 days, giving people an opportunity to go out and perhaps do some things outside. Maybe seeing some snow melt happening there in those north central states. Again, that's the GFS 72-hour pressure and precipitation forecast. Next, bringing up your windy.com map. We're just showing the satellite imagery here. Let's see what morning in Pittsburgh looks like. Here's the University of Pittsburgh. You can see a little bit of snow there. And there's the view from Akron, Ohio. That image, a little bit less than an hour old. Continuing on, power outages have largely subsided here. We still do have quite a few in Tennessee. Nearly 80,000 out of power in Tennessee because of an ice storm. Ohio, 17,000 out of power in Ohio, and nearly 26,000 out of power in New York. Here's your weather.gov map, and what is that in mustard color? High wind warnings and watches in Montana. Again, pretty clear stuff going on here, although we've got some very cold temperatures striking places like Texas and Louisiana. Some hard freeze warnings happening down there. If your county is lit up, just click your county at weather.gov. No terrestrial lightning over the U.S. in the past several hours. Here's a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. Sporadic lightning here, spread out it looks like. It's almost like a lightning shortage. There's one strike happening there in the central Atlantic. By the way, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch, twitch.tv/Smash-O-Mash. If you're viewing the content, I'll bet you're able to go to a website. And, the website we're talking about is twitch.tv/smashamash. Download the mobile app. It'll let you know when we go live. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to our Twitch followers. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. I'll reiterate, watch the content on YouTube. You're missing 90% of it by not watching it there. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers. The most of our content is on YouTube. The channel's got all kinds of features that aren't even science related. There are lifestyle things, videos about driving and riding. I'm a pro. Smashamash.com/SmashTeam, the new subscription services site. We just launched it in October officially, thanks to the Smash Team members, especially Gold and Silver and Gold annual paid up subscriptions. Next thing we're looking at is the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. And you can see some errors happening there as a result of charging, surface charging on those satellites caused by a surplus of electrons. That's why you're likely seeing that anomalous data happening there. And you can see some moisture here now making its way into Idaho. Next, the U.S. Doppler Radar. We'll zoom out briefly here to show all 50 states, including the North Shore. Shout out to our viewers not in the lower 48. The rest of the video will focus on the lower 48. So there's a U.S. radar at radar.weather.gov. Here is the shortwave radiation map. Look at all the low clouds over the Atlantic and Gulf. I mean, just a massive amount of low clouds here. Is it caused by cosmic ray flux? Let us know in the comments. As incoming protons become more and more likely to collide with something as they get lower and lower in the atmosphere. Next, the water vapor map. We've got pretty clear sky. It's a pretty dry atmosphere here over the U.S. for the most part at the moment. We'll come back for a recap. Here's the U.S. Doppler Radar from radar.weather.gov. Here's a shortwave radiation showing clouds and fog when it's too dark to see them with a visible satellite. And there is water vapor. We hope you're able to forecast your own weather. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smashamash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.